Alright guys, welcome back to Faraz Garage. So we got everything here to ready to get paint on the floor. I gave Dalton Farman a call. He's going to come out and help me get rolled. I'm going to do the trimming and I'll let him roll. So we got the gray epoxy shield garage floor coating here. That's what we're going to go with. I'm not going to do the flake. I got the high gloss clear in the inside, and that's going to go on another day. But I got all the materials here, waiting for Dalton to show up, get it mixed up, and then we'll start putting it down on the floor. So if you didn't see the previous video of the prep work, I'll put it up in the top corner here, a link to the video for the prep to get to here. And I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up and get ready for a time lapse of us laying down the paint. So we're gonna go over real quick what's in the box. All right, so you got your bags of metal flake, a stir stick, that's an etching compound, but we already did the grinding and etching, so we're good to go on that. You got your activator as well as your base here. So pretty much what you'll do, you'll open this, dump that in there, and then mix it together. Let me go get a screwdriver and we'll pop that open real quick. Alright, so that's pretty much it there. As you see, it's just a straight kind of light gray. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on getting this mixed up while Dalton's coming, and we'll go ahead and start laying it down. Okay guys, so we're back at it again. This is day 2. Yesterday we got the first coat on, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the shop. Let you see inside. So this is how it's looking so far after the first coat. It's not bad. Open this one. So it's not bad, it's pretty shiny. It don't have that like real glossy look with the clear yet, but it still got some shine to it with the glossy gray. There's still a few little rough spots that didn't get out the concrete, but still looks a lot better than what it was before. You still see the section here that was real rough. You still see some rough texture in it, but on the second coat, we're gonna go real heavy and hopefully try to fill in some of the roughness. And then also, like I said, we gotta put the clear on it too, so by the time we add it all on, hopefully it'll be a little bit smoother and have a nice real glossy look to it. So Robert's coming over today, Robert Stroman, he's gonna be helping me today put another coat on. All right, so we're on to day 3. As you see, the gray's down. First day we put the first coat of gray down. Second day we put the second coat down. And this is what it's looking like now with 2 coats of gray. So it's got some shine to it with just the gray. But now today, Robert Stroman's going to come over. He's going to help me out, and we're going to lay the high gloss clear on top of it and start to see how it looks with that high gloss clear put on it. So I'm waiting for him to get here. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up to the side, put y'all back on another time lapse as we put the clear down, and y'all can enjoy the music. And then I'll get back with you once the final coat's down and finished, and we'll take a look at the results. Alright guys, so it's done had time to dry. We got the 2 coats of gray down, 1 coat of clear. I'd like to have done a 2nd coat, but that stuff's expensive and it just wasn't in my budget to do it. But it still turned out very well. As you see the reflection on the lights. There's a couple spots that's a little light on the clear. That's why I said I really wish I could do a 2nd coat. But overall, nice and shiny. So now when you have the vehicle under here, it should reflect the lights off the floor a little bit up underneath. And overall, she's starting to come together. Hopefully I can get a guy here that's gonna help me with the electrical and we can get the electrical ran and everything else. I went and, I don't know if you see it out there, but there's an air compressor on the back of my trailer there. And I got a buddy that's gonna bring me out a concrete slab to put behind the building so I can put that actually outside the shop on its own slab. But yeah, so again, that's 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum gloss gray and then 1 coat of the high gloss clear epoxy shield flooring. Links and everything for it's going to be down in the description if you want to pick it up and do your floor for your garage or shop. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content on the shop build. All right, have a good one.